One outcome is not enough to describe the future of markets. If I look at today's price and try to predict tomorrow, I might get it wrong. Not because the model is bad, but because the future is uncertain by nature. Markets are not single path systems, they are multi path systems. Welcome back to the Money Loop. In this video, we're going to move beyond theory and start simulating uncertainty itself. We're going to see how quants think on a daily basis about the future using probability instead of prediction. Let's start simple. Imagine a stock price is currently $100. Now, instead of asking where it goes next, we allow it to move randomly up or down over time. Each movement is small, but over time, these small moves build into a path, and that path represents just one possible future. Here's the key idea though. We don't simulate just one path. We simulate thousands of them. Each simulation gives us a different possible future price path. Some go up strongly, some fall sharply, and most stay somewhere in between. This entire process is called a Monte Carlo simulation. When we look at all these simulated outcomes together, we don't see randomness anymore. We see structure. We see a distribution of possible futures. This distribution tells us something extremely important. It tells us how uncertain the future really is. Even though each path is different, they tend to cluster around a central region. This center is what we call the expected value. It represents the average outcome if we repeated this process many times. But most importantly, no single simulation equals the expected value exactly. This is where quantitative thinking begins. We stop trying to predict a single future and instead we ask, what do all possible futures look like? What is the probability of each outcome? Or even, how do they behave as a group? In traditional thinking, the future is one line. In quant finance, though, the future is a cloud of possibilities, and our job is not to guess it, but to measure it. This is Monte Carlo simulation, one of the most powerful tools in modern finance, and the foundation for pricing risk in uncertain systems. In the next video, we'll take this idea and connect it directly to how options are priced in real markets.